Hello, today we are going to teach you how to prepare these delicious tuna pies. These are the ingredients that we will use for our recipe. First, use a spoon to take the tuna out of the pouch. Then, peel and chop half an onion into very small pieces. Next, we chop our 2 tomatoes as you can see in the video. Chop also the boiled egg and set aside all the ingredients to prepare our stuffing. Add a little of extra virgin olive oil to the pan and heat over low heat. Fry the onion with the tomato. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. When our sauce is ready, we mix it with the boiled egg, the tuna and the species, and stir well so that all the ingredients are mixed. Then we take the dough, fill it with a tablespoon of the mixture and close it with the help of a fork. Finally, when our pies are ready, we heat oil over medium heat in a pan and fry them. Let them cool and ready to eat.